The most important thing that someone living under an HOA should know is that you have rights, and it's not a general vague statement. Your rights are very clearly laid out in your governing documents, which your HOA has and has to give you a copy of, and your rights are also laid out by the Condominium Act and the HOA Act. Most of the work that we do is hearing a factual scenario from somebody and informing them of what all of their rights are. And so many times they just had no idea. For instance, one of the issues we see most often, for example, are maintenance issues. Condo associations, for example, have to maintain roofs of buildings, walls of buildings. They don't very frequently and cause damage to the inside of units. And we have unit owners calling us, asking us what to do. And we inform them many times of their rights under the Condominium Act, under the declaration of what their association owes them in terms of repairs and costs and everything like that.